In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recover permanently deleted emails from Gmail. Now, I know this can be a daunting task for many, especially when you think those emails might be lost forever. But don't worry, I'm here to guide you through the process step by step, ensuring you have all the information you need to get those emails back. First things first, you're going to want to conduct a Google search on how to recover permanently deleted emails from Gmail. While this might seem like a simple step, it sets the foundation for your recovery process. This search will provide you with a wealth of resources and guides that offer various solutions. But for now, let's delve into a popular method you can follow directly. Open your web browser and navigate to the Gmail website. Once you're logged into your account, direct your attention to the left-hand menu. This menu houses the various sections of your Gmail, including your inbox, sent, and draft folders. However, for email recovery, we're interested in the trash folder. Click on More if you don't see it immediately, and then select Trash. This folder is where emails are temporarily stored before being permanently deleted. If your desired email is here, simply select it, and you can click on the Move to Inbox button to restore it to your main email folder. But what if you can't find the email in the trash folder? Don't worry, that's not the end of the line. Your next step is to check the archives. Sometimes, emails are archived rather than deleted and can easily be retrieved. Go to All Mail in your left-hand menu. You might have to click More to find this. Browse through and see if the email you're looking for might be hidden here. If you spot it, just like before, move it back to your inbox for easy access. However, if the email isn't in the trash or the archive, you may need to rely on another method. Google may be able to help you recover emails that have been deleted for up to 30 days. There's no guaranteed success here, but it's certainly worth a try. Go to the Gmail Help website and look for the Missing Emails section. Here you'll find a Contact Us option. Fill in the form, providing details such as the email address of the missing emails and a brief description of the issue. Remember, recovering emails that have been permanently deleted isn't always possible, but these steps increase your chances. Regularly backing up important emails to your computer or cloud storage is a proactive way to mitigate loss in the future. And that's it for today's tutorial on recovering those crucial emails. Good luck, and I hope this guide has been helpful.